Yo, what up, guys? This is the voice of Mr. X to the O to the L to the U to the Sean, Mr. Solution. It's a privilege to be doing this with you guys. And the truth is, this has been in my mind since the first day of August. I was supposed to have started this on the first day of August, but due to a lot of things on my desk, a lot of fishes to fry, a lot of activities, I have been postponing it. But just recently, I said, fuck it, I'm gonna put something out. So this is going to be a full cryptocurrency trading course that would cover everything that has to do with cryptocurrency trading. The fact that it's covering everything that has to do with cryptocurrency trading doesn't mean that OGs and old people cannot glean one or two lessons from this. Nope. It is an all-embracing course. So even if you've been in the cryptocurrency space for aeons, even if you've been around for years, it doesn't preclude you from not paying attention to this course. Okay, so if you know anybody who is trying to find his foot, who is trying to understand the nitty-gritty of cryptocurrency space, direct the person to this our channel. Tell the person to subscribe and to turn on the notification icon so that once a new content is uploaded, the person will be informed. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna be a long journey. This is gonna be a long journey. It's a journey that's gonna take us weeks for us to conclude. But just stick around, and I promise you that you wouldn't really be disappointed. Okay, so before we go into that, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you're an old subscriber, please leave us a thumbs up icon to tell us that you like what you are doing, or maybe there's a question you want to ask concerning cryptocurrency. You can leave it at the description, at the comment section of this video. And also, I'm inviting you to join our Telegram community of cryptocurrency traders. I will be leaving the link at the comment section of this video. Okay, so before we proceed, who am I? What qualifications do I have that should give me that authority to talk about cryptocurrency trading? What qualifies me to become a cryptocurrency tutor? As a matter of fact, I've been in the cryptocurrency space as far back as 2016. I've traded crypto. I trade crypto. I traded stocks. I do forex. So recently, I just opposed forex and crypto. So I've been around for years in the cryptocurrency space. I've seen the peaks. I've seen the troughs. I've seen the ups. I've seen the downs. So all the knowledge, all the experiences, all the information I've garnered and gathered over the years, these are the things I've packaged together to put it forward for us to learn free of charge. Okay, so like I said, this is going to be a very comprehensive course, and here are the things we'll be looking at. Actually, the course comprises of 11 modules. We have a total of 11 modules. From the module 1, we look at cryptocurrency basics, where we will cover what cryptocurrency is. We look at the risks associated with cryptocurrency, and then we look at why one should use cryptocurrency. And the second module, we look at the crypto trading basics, where we look at what a stable coin is, what are cryptocurrency pairs. We'll get to understand what a base and a quote currency is. And finally, we get to understand what the bid and offer spread is all about. Okay, so on the third module, we'll be looking at the best cryptocurrency news and education sources, where you can get news, everything that has to do with cryptocurrency education. Okay, so we'll look at best news sites for crypto, we'll look at best education sites for crypto with examples. And then finally, we look at how to do your own research. That's ZYOR, do your own research. Okay. So moving forward, the D module will look at best crypto trading venues. In other words, where you can trade cryptocurrency, the best platforms for you to carry out your cryptocurrency trading adventure, right? So we look at best crypto trading platform for beginners. We look at best crypto trading platforms for advanced traders. We look at how to choose the best platform for you. And finally, we look at some of the things you consider when choosing your exchange, such as the fees and some of the other considerations. Okay, so we'll look at also the fifth module, which is the module E. We'll look at centralized versus decentralized exchanges. We'll get to understand what DEX is. DEX simply means decentralized exchange. That's what DEX means. So we'll look at what decentralized exchanges are. We'll get to understand what swaps are. Finally, we'll get to answer the question, which of these should you choose? Okay, so moving forward, on the F module, we'll also look at some of the crypto trading strategies for beginners. What are some of the crypto trading strategies for beginners, where we get to understand swing trading, we get to understand breakout trading, we get to understand the difference between long, medium, and short-term trading strategies. And finally, we'll get to understand what DCA simply means. By DCA, I mean dollar cost averaging. How can you utilize it to maximize your profit, to make the best investment decision in the course of your cryptocurrency trading journey? And the module G, we look at how to trade crypto, where we get to understand the various other types in the market, where we have the market order, the limit order, the buy stop order, and the rest of it. So we look at order book. What is an order book? How do we understand the order book? Now, also finally look at how to use these different types of trading on market orders. Okay. And then on the module H, we look at the technical analysis for cryptocurrencies, which is actually a very important and a very crucial part of this, our journey. We get to know what the spot market, how to spot, get to understand how to spot the trend in the market. By trend, I mean the direction of the market, because basically the market will always have three trends, where we have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging market. So you get to understand how you can spot these trends as a beginner and even as an OG. Okay, so secondly, we look at support and resistance. In other words, look at strictly price action. And then finally, we look at candlestick charts. That's how to identify your entry, how to what you would see on the chart that will make you to enter this trade or to hop in on this trade. Okay, so, and then finally, we'll look at how to look for trades, that's the I module. You get to look at how to look for trades, how to determine what market to trade, or how to spot opportunities in the market. And then secondly, look at how to work out your risk position, how to properly risk size your position, how to size your position, and what quantity, what amount to enter in a trade with. That's what we mean by working out your risk position. And then we enter a trade. So this is going to be a live class where we get to enter a trade, and then we'll understand how to set your stop loss accurately to avoid getting prematurely stopped out. And then to round it off, we're going to have a recap and important notes, some of the important notes we've taken down. We'll get to answer the questions, how a beginner should start, how should a beginner start, or how should beginners start their journey, their forage into the cryptocurrency space. And then we look at other resources. And then finally, we talk about the risks associated with crypto. And that would be all for that. Like I said, this is a fully loaded and packaged course. There are some things I couldn't include because I just felt they were not necessary. So in the course of our teaching and talking and interaction, I'm going to be pointing them out. So make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Make sure you have referred your friends and your loved ones to this channel, because this is going to be an exciting journey for us. If you know anybody who is interested in learning crypto trading and doesn't have anybody to guide him, or doesn't have the requisite money to pay people to teach them, tell the person to come and subscribe to this channel, because this is where the whole thing would be thoroughly explained. And beautiful enough, it is coming from the auspice, from the mouth of somebody who has seen the ups and downs and has understood the in and out of the industry. So let the person subscribe, tell the person to subscribe, and turn on the notification icon so that once a content goes, the person would be the first to be notified. All right, guys. So I just wanted to bring us up to speed on what we are planning and packaging. Until I come your way again, I remain your man, Mr. Solution.